2, 1, go!
Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nausin and you are watching Educational Support. If you like this video, then subscribe it with your friends, and if you want more videos, then share with your friends. Do you have some minutes? Today I gonna teach something to you, that is digestion and absorption of carbohydrates part 1. In this video we are going to focus on this topic. Now we are going to discuss on once food enters your digestive system, how is it broken down and how are those nutrients absorbed into the blood. So focus once again on carbohydrates. So in our typical diet, we actually consumed about 250 to 800 grams carbohydrates. Most of these consumed as disaccharides or polysaccharides. But here is the important point that only monosaccharides can be absorbed and are absorbed by the small intestine as monosaccharides. As we know that monosaccharides does not need digestion. So the examples of monosaccharides are glucose, fructose and pentose. So the examples of disaccharides are maltose, sucrose and lactose. Disaccharides are present in brass border epithelium intestinal mucosal cells where the resultant monosaccharides and other arising from the diet are absorbed. And the different disaccharides are maltose, sucrose, isomaltose and lactase. The examples of polysaccharides are starch, glycogen and cellulose. Do you know, dear, why cellulose is not digested in humans? Because cellulose is a polysaccharide found in plants. It contains beta-1,4-glycosidic bond in its structure. Human cannot synthesize the enzyme which can break beta-glycosidic bond. Thus, cellulose cannot be digested by humans. But why is cellulose important? It provides dietary fiber that's important for intestinal mobility. So, enzyme degrading starch called amylase, and examples of amylase are salivary amylase and pancreatic amylase. So, salivary amylase secretes from saliva gland and pancreatic amylase secretes from pancreas. So, process of digestion, breaking down of food into the simple compounds called as digestion. Digestion of carbohydrates starts in mouth, stomach and the small intestine. Digestion of carbohydrates starts in the mouth by two processes: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. In mechanical digestion, food undergoes mastication, which crumbles the carbohydrate and foods into smaller pieces to form bolus. But in chemical digestion, foods come in contact with saliva, which secretes from salivary gland and saliva contained enzyme salivary amylase. So what is the function of salivary amylase? Salivary amylase required chloride ion for activation with an optimum pH of 7, and the enzyme hydrolyzes alpha-1,4-glycosidic bonds which produces dextrins, maltose, maltodextrin and glucose. But salivary amylase stops action in the stomach when pH falls to 3.0. Next, we are going to focus on digestion in stomach. The action of salivary amylase continues in bolus. Digestion of carbohydrate temporarily stops in stomach. The action of salivary amylase stops in stomach due to high acidity of stomach. So no carbohydrate splitting enzymes are available in gastric juices, and however hydrochloric acid are present in stomach causes hydrolysis of sucrose to fructose and glucose. Further digestion of carbohydrate occurs in small intestine by pancreatic enzyme. So food bolus reaches to the duodenum from the stomach where it meets the pancreatic juices, and this pancreatic juices contains a carbohydrate splitting enzyme pancreatic amylase, which is similar to salivary amylase. There are two phases of intestinal digestion: digestion due to pancreatic amylase and digestion due to intestinal brass border enzyme. So pancreatic amylase is an alpha amylase. Optimum pH is 7.1 like salivary amylase, and it requires chloride ions for activation, and it hydrolyzes the dextrin to mixture of limit-dextrin, maltotriose, maltose and isomaltose. These enzymes are responsible for the final digestion of carbohydrate. So the enzymes and their reactions are as follows. About my presentation, I hope you enjoyed this lecture as much as I enjoyed put it in together for you. If any inquiry, then put down a comment under this video, and also press a subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it, and give us a thumbs up, and happy watching. Thank you.